Social Security payment May 13, 2026. Who gets paid DTV Fab? Millions of Americans are about to receiving their Social Security payment, but only certain birthday get paid on May 13. Check if your money is coming next week. Who gets paid on May 13, 2026? The Social Security Administration is officially beginning its May 2026 payment cycle, and millions of Americans are waiting for the next check. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of any month, your Social Security payment is scheduled to arrive on Wednesday, May 13. This includes retirement benefit, disability benefit, and survivor payments. If you receive Social Security based on another person work history, the government uses that person's birthday instead of your to determine the payment date. More than 71 million Americans currently receiving Social Security benefit, making these monthly payments one of the largest federal financial system in the country. For many retiree and disabled Americans, these payments help cover essential expenses like rent, grocery, medication, and utility bills, making payment timing extremely important every month. My Social Security Schedule 2026. The May 2026 payment schedule is divided into three birthday groups. Beneficiaries born between the 1st and 10th receive payments on Wednesday, May 13. Those born between the 11th and 20th will receive their money on Wednesday, May 20. Finally, people born between the 21st and 31st are scheduled for payment on Wednesday, May 27. This staggered system helps the Social Security Administration distribute payments more efficiently to millions of recipients nationwide. Because May started on a Friday in 2026, this month payment cycle begin slightly later than usual. In fact, only January and October create longer wait this year because their second Wednesday fall even later in the month. For retirees relying heavily on fixed monthly income, even a small scheduling difference can create a stress while waiting for payments to arrive. Average Social Security payment in 2026. The amount beneficiaries receive vary based on work history, lifetime earning, and the type of benefits they collect. According to Social Security Administration data, retired workers currently receiving on average monthly payments on approximately $2,081. Disabled workers receive around $1,634 monthly on average, while survivor beneficiaries receiving roughly $1,625, some retiree receiving much larger payment if they delay retirement benefit or earned high income throughout their career. Other may receiving smaller check depending on when they claimed benefit and how long they worked. With inflation and rising living expenses counting to pressure retiree in 2026, Social Security payment remain a critical financial lifeline for millions of households across America. Check your payment group carefully. For millions of Americans, Social Security payments are far more than just monthly deposit. They are essential financial support that keeps household running. Missing a payment date, misunderstanding the schedule, or having outdated banking information can create serious stress for retiree living on fixed income. That's why it's important to know your birth payment group and monitor your account when payment dates approach. As inflation and living costs continue rising in 2026, every Social Security payment matters more than ever. Staying informed about the schedule can help avoid confusion and provide more peace of mind in each month.